Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a league that you have created on ESPN Fantasy Sports. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in espn.com/fantasy and press enter. This will now take you into the official ESPN Fantasy website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, you can just click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Now, once you are logged in and taken into your account, you will see the create a league as well as join public league option. You can create any league that you wish by clicking on the create league option, and after creating your league, you will be able to find this within your league menu. Now, if you wish to delete your league, then click on the settings button underneath your league, and now this will show you all of your available settings. Now, underneath basic settings, click on the edit button. And while there is no option to delete your league directly, you can choose the viewable to public option and set it to no. When you do this, no one else will be able to view or access your league from the fantasy football game or application. And once you set this value to no, just click on the save changes option, and this will now save your changes so that no one will be able to discover the league even though you cannot delete it. And there you have it. That is how you can go around to delete a league on the ESPN Fantasy Sports. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.